In Google, write save from .net. Then you will be able to see this website, and copy the link from Facebook video and paste here. Then click download, and here you can see multiple options. Simply click any one, and here you will be able to see the downloaded video here. So let's try another video from the YouTube. Copy the link, paste here, and click download, and you can choose any format, MP3, MP4, and click on download. Here is the video. So let's try another one, maybe TikTok. Copy the link and paste here. Click enter. Choose any format and click on download. And here you can get the TikTok video, and it's without watermark. So apart from these, there are many other options you can try. Thank you.